Hudson Bay, where you at? Where you at, Hudson Bay? The Slayer of Shorts has come out of the abyss. BBIG Bull, former bear, here to slay Hudson Bay! What's going on, you filthy degenerates? Hootmoney back again. Indoor sunglasses engaged. Let's go, baby. We closed above $4 per share, which was an absolutely incredible close. We put another 9,600 options in the money, meaning that 960,000 shares needed to be delivered. We're going to be making an update on Monday about the gamma squeeze going into next trading week. Remember, Monday the market is closed. We had a fantastic live stream hitting 420 likes. Absolutely incredible. We were doing push-ups, planks, wall sits, and burpees. By the end of the day, I was more sore than grandma after she lost all her money in Prague, but it was totally worth it because, again, we closed over 4, which was perfect. We were fighting that level up until bell. Super epic, super amazing. Drop a like on the video. You guys already know the deal. Liking the video helps the YouTube algorithm, helps spread this type of content around. If you want BBIG stock to trend, you like the video. Easy as that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So here we have the options change expiring today. We sent these options in the money, but we want to look at this one for next week, January 21st. A huge gamma ramp. Just looking at this open interest. We already went over this again. Gamma squeeze video coming on Monday. Looking at the market cipher, market sniper. Again, we got that green dot on the weekly. Still very oversold on the weekly, meaning that we could potentially see a multi-week runner in BBIG stock. Now, there's going to be ups and downs as it continues to trend upwards, perhaps, but again, it could potentially be that. Now, not financial advice. You're never going to know where exactly the top is. As you guys can see, every time that it's gone up, it's pretty much given up its gains. So there's always the risk of chasing in this stock and losing, so be aware. Again, I don't want no crybaby bag holders in the comment section. And if we move down into some of these other time frames, the daily chart is also looking pretty good. The market cipher strategy right here is big blue wave, small blue wave, and that's exactly what we have here on the daily chart. We were also comparing it to the other times that BBIG stock ran. It did have a positive blue wave on both occasions. We are not yet into the positive on the daily chart, meaning that there's potentially some more upside to come. But again, I can't make any promises. I'm just saying potentially that is what could happen. And especially going into next week with that amazing gamma ramp, I do expect us to continue to trend upwards. Moving into the 4-hour chart, this shows us some more of the shorter time frame perspectives. Yes, the longer time frames still looking amazing, but the 4-hour chart does seem like we're going to get a little pullback. We got a red dot here on the market cipher. Also, the hourly chart is doing the decreasing blue waves, which is a short signal, right? So again, it is likely we get a cool off period or a pullback at some point. I'm not going to just make that prediction right now, but the technicals are lining up in that favor. And again, guys, absolutely epic into close. If you guys can see, it was fighting up here, right here, 30 minutes before close. It just trends upwards, getting above $4, putting that extra 960,000 shares in the money. So that's absolutely perfect. Give yourselves a round of applause for that. All right, round of applause, baby. Anyways, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Moomoo Brokerage, licensed FINRA SIPC brokerage. They're giving away a free share of AMC if you deposit $100 on their platform. This offer lasts until February 7th, 2022. So get them while they're hot. First link below, description, pin, comment section. This is on top of their already amazing brokerage promotion where they're giving away up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. So check it out again, guys. First link below in the description or pinned comment section. BBIG is not on the threshold security list, but it will most likely be there as of next week. Fintel has it at a number 38 on the short squeeze leaderboard. With today's price movement, I'm sure it will be moving up. We all know it's number 1 on the short squeeze leaderboard. Get these low float, low market cap stocks out of here because BBIG is coming and BBIG is running. We also got another Ortex signal, RSI 80 to 90, meaning that the RSI is overextended, but it's likely going to be even more overextended. RSI has a max value of 100 and 80 is already at an overbought state, and it says it's going from 80 to 90. It also has those short squeeze type 2 and type 3 signals. The type 3 expired today, I believe. It returned 22%. We also have 10 days left on the type 2 signal. The Ortex data, again, I don't really focus on this that much because it's not going to change. It's not going to give us any more information than we already know. It's not going to tell us when shorts covered. We already know that it's high cost to borrow, high short interest rate. We already know the short squeeze statistics are good, so we'll leave it at that. Here's the data. Moving over to Fintel, there's absolutely no shares available to be shorted, 0 as reported 9 hours ago on that last update. They have the borrow fee at 25%. Ortex has it slightly higher. Aggregate short volume ratio also at 56%. Now here's the juice. Look at the premiums, guys. Look at all of these calls. A lot of 0 days to expiration, a bunch of 7 days till expiration, but there was also a decent amount of bearish bets today. The most bearish bets we've actually seen all week. Now, a lot of the bearish bets did in fact lose money. They called it a bit too early, but they also have a bit further out in expiration. They're going deeper in the money. We can scroll down right here. You guys can see $11 expiring April of 2022 for the bearish bets. It was still very, very bullish, but the bearish bets had massive amounts of premium. Right here, it was over $500,000, as well as right here for a put option in the money put option, $6 expiring February 18th. So you have to look out for this. Compared to the call option bets, the put options are much larger premiums right here, but there's more overall call options being placed. And as you guys can see, there was another 132,000 call option bet fired this morning at 9:30 a.m. This call option, as well as the call option above it, was what changed my opinion from the pullback being today to being more bullish throughout the day today. You can see that the bulls are going for January 21st, 2022, and the bears are going for February 18th. So if I were a betting man, I'd say this probably peaks out before January 21st, and by February 18th, it'll probably start moving down. It'll probably be worth less than what it is right now. The call option volume today was extremely high, rivaling the volume that we saw back here in October. Still a little bit of a ways to go to get back to the August call option volume, but we still have January 21st next week, so it should be very exciting. Remember, historically speaking, when the call option volume did spike, it did correlate, as you guys can see right here and here, as good times to actually sell the stock. So now that the call option volume is up, it may be a signal that perhaps it's time to start scaling out. And then you guys can also see the largest option trades of today. The largest was a multi-leg strategy, selling of a put option for $2.6 million in premium. We can see the details of this trade. It was very, very interesting. So it involved buying a call option for the $20 strike price expiring next week, next Friday. Also selling a put option. Both of these are bullish strategies right here. But then it has February 18th in here as well, selling of a call option and buying of a put option, and those are both bearish strategies. So whoever is selling $2.6 million in premium of put options, they're betting that the stock price actually goes up into next week and it goes down into February 18th. And we can also see right here that dark pool volume reached a new high, almost doubling what we saw yesterday. 3 new unusual whale alerts fired today. We got a $4.50 call option expiring February 11th, a $5.50 cent call option expiring February 4th, and a $3 put option also expiring February 4th. So that's all I got, my friends. It's looking solid into next week. There may be a little cool off period. All right, we saw those lower time frames. It looks a little spicy right now. It could cool off just a little bit, but overall it is looking promising into next week's expiration date. We got in at a very, very good price, especially if you guys were here from the beginning. I always say be careful chasing. Again, I don't want no crybaby bag holders in the comment section. Here on Hootmoney's channel, we make the profit, we take the profit. All right, so if you made profit, go for it. All right, nothing here is financial advice. I just want to see you guys happy. I want to see you guys thrive. It's going to be impossible to call the top, and with that, be happy when you guys are happy. Everyone has a different trading strategy, so I cannot give you guys a price target. You have to understand on your own terms where it could potentially go. It depends if you're playing call option, if you're playing shares. It depends on your entry point. It depends on your position size, how big of a percentage of your portfolio. So for all of those reasons, I just genuinely can't give you guys a price target or a strategy on how to play this thing, because it depends and it's different for each and every single one of us. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. That's my rundown. I'll see you guys on Monday for the next update. Hopefully I'll make some crypto videos this weekend. Subscribe for more content. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Get BBIG trending on social media. Also, if you wanted to grab your one free share of AMC stock, link below in the description, pin comment section to sign up for Moomoo. That's about it, everyone. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace. See ya.